Welcome back. Today is the 5th of May 2021. I hope everyone is doing well and is safe. I apologize for not recording the Sunday's video, but I'm here today with a swing trading opportunity in Ultratech Cement. Without any further ado, let's get straight to the chart. This is the hourly chart of Ultratech Cement, and let's look at the history of the stock first. The stock was in a very strong uptrend, and recently it was doing its correction. Now, I think this correction is over, and I'm saying this because if I plot the Fibonacci retracement, the stock has bounced from the 61.8% level. And when a stock bounces from the 61.8% level, the chances are very high that the correction is over. I have zoomed in, and this stock had formed an engulfing candle near the 61.8% level. Now, if we look at the price action over here, this stock was forming lower lows and lower highs formation. And this low over here was not crossed. And once this high gets crossed, the uptrend that has been going on for several months will continue. This is simple price action. If I go to the lower time frame, if I go to the 30 minutes time frame, I can see a triangle pattern that is being formed over here. There's a triangle pattern on the 30 minutes time frame, and once we get a breakout above this triangle, the precise level is 6,420. Once the stock starts to trade above 6,420, we can expect a sharp upside. Another thing I really like about this stock is that if I plot the moving averages, I have plotted 4 moving averages over here: 20, 50, 100 and 200 period moving average. The price has closed above all these 4 moving averages, which is a very good sign. And these 4 moving averages are going to act as a support, and they're not going to let the price fall very easily. We can keep a stop loss at 6,330, and we can buy for the targets of 6,760, which was this previous swing. So while we are risking just 1.5%, we are buying for a 1:3 risk reward, which is very favorable. And please speak to your financial advisor before you take any decision. I request you to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.